Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to make some ice cream using 3 simple ingredients. See how creamy this is? To make this ice cream you will need some milk, some glucose syrup and some biscuits. First, add the biscuits to your milk. You will need about 15 to 20 ml for about 250 milliliters of milk. Next, add in the glucose syrup. This is about 1 tablespoon of glucose syrup. This just helps to stabilize the mixture and prevent the formation of ice crystals. Now just blend it all together. If you need to add some more biscuits, add them now. It should be about the consistency of a cake batter. Just blend it and you have a cake batter like consistency. And there you have it, your very own ice cream. Just put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, 6 to 7 hours. Pour it in your mold. It's okay if you have some lumps, it will just give extra texture to your biscuits. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like.